Welcome to the Charcoal Barbecue Kitchen, where everything is cooked with charcoal, at least when your barbecue is able to stand on its three legs. My barbecue was getting pretty wobbly. There is a broken leg socket. The cylindrical part has come away from the welded part that's on the screen there. You can see there's a separation. Fortunately, there's some exposed metal edges, so we can repair this with brazing. You cannot use bolts to repair this, contrary to the other YouTube video on this subject, because it will interfere with the ash collector system. So brazing is your only option, and I had to learn how to braze when I had to repair my special cage rotisserie. If you buy a torch and a MAP Pro cylinder, it's about $100. But it's only $20 to buy a cylinder if you already have the torch. And I'm using a bronze brazing rod, and you're going to create a bead. It's similar to soldering. It's like high temperature soldering. I'm not worrying about flux. I'm just simply feeding the bronze brazing rod into the flame. I'm not really showing how I created this bead, but I'm demonstrating how you do it here. So you're holding the flame against the site to be brazed and then feeding in the bronze brazing rod, and you're spreading the bronze around with the brazing rod because it tends to clump. So you try to spread it around to create a linear weld there. This is kind of like welding. It's called braze welding, I suppose. Here is the finished braze weld. It is very, very hot, that metal. You don't want to touch that for at least 20 to 30 minutes after. It looks pretty good. It's solid. I got the leg back in, and we're going to barbecue. And now I'm inspecting this after I did a barbecue and after the coals cooled off. It looks really solid. It's surviving, much like my rotisserie. So I hope this is helpful.